Okay, guys, we are going to do a little review of what you learned or should have learned in 7th grade. This is called simplifying algebraic expressions. That's very fancy talk for just simplifying this expression here. The reason why we call it an expression is because there's no equal sign. So we don't get like one solid answer or solution. We just whittle it down and combine what can be combined until it's fully simplified. So we call this combining like terms next year in algebra. So what I like to do is look at my expression and see what can go together. What are my like terms? So I happen to know that anything with the same variable can go together. So I'm going to circle it. I have a 10b and I have a negative 6b. This sign that's in front of a number always has to go along with it. So don't forget the negative symbol with the 6b. Well, then I also have a positive 13 and a positive 4 that can go together. Those are constants. They're just numbers. So they can go together as well. So I have 10b minus 6b. Can combine those together to get 4b. I also have 13 plus 4, which equals 17. These are both positive, so when I rewrite it, I'm just going to write 4b plus 17. That's as far as I can simplify. I cannot put these together because they are not like terms. So this is my final answer, 4b plus 17. All right, let's do another one. I have 3g. Let me straighten out my paper. There we go. 3g minus 9 plus 11g minus 21. Well, let's take a look. What can go together? I see 3g. I see 11g. Those can go together. They are like terms. We can combine them. And then I also see a negative 9 and a negative 21. Remember, I have to pull the sign in front of the number. So this time I'm just going to go 3g plus 11g is, well, what's 3 plus 11? 14g. So I'm just going to write it here, 14g. Okay, now that I've taken care of those, another strategy you might want to use is I'm going to cross them out. I was like, okay, I've taken care of those. But now I have negative 9 minus 21. Well, what is negative 9 minus 21? We're going to have a bigger negative number. So if you need to use a calculator, feel free. We have negative 9 minus 21 equals negative 30. So how I'm going to write that here is minus 30. And that is the farthest we can go, the farthest we can simplify. I'm going to box up my answer. And that is how you simplify an algebraic expression.